on KajGO tutorial about how to create the beautiful event in just a couple of clicks eventually. So this tutorial will start with presenting our goal. This is the page of event that we created during our tutorial, or you will create it just in a couple of minutes after this video. And I will go through all the parts we have here. Let's start with the top. We have a background image and the main image. Both images was created using the AI. That's our platform also gives you to, you can use it. Of course, you can upload your media files if you already have it, but it was just done in just couple of seconds, putting in a prompt in the description, and bam, we have background and image, main image of the event. Later on, you will see that you have an interest number and participant count. Actually, we have 4 because we make some tests during the tutorial, and we have a date and places where it's happened. It happened in Katowice and Krakow main square, but as we already know it, this is an event that we have bike trip from one city to another, and we see some interesting parts of Poland doing that ride. On the left, we have the main view where you have a basic information, schedule, post, and documents. Let's go with the basics. The basic is the description of your event. If you're not a word wizard, we can also use AI to help us to generate interesting and attractive description. And based on the data you already put in that form during the first registration, first event creation, and you can play around a little bit more with the AI or just by yourself in the end here. You have also information about the organization that is owner of that event. So your participant can reach you directly based on the organization defined here. And finally, we have a road. In this case, as we have a multiple days event, from one point to another, we make a route for our bike riders to go on a special way to see some checkpoints we give them during the planning the road. You will see in that tutorial how detailed it is, and your participant could just have a look how the trip will looks like eventually, right? If they're up to or not, and so on. Moving on, we have a basic schedule information like the when it starts and when it ends. But for the details, we can deep dive here in schedule section, where organizer, so we put some more details for our probable participants to know how the schedule looks like. Because we can plan some events before even start the welcome day and so on, and put it here to not notify our participant that something will happen before and after or just during the event. As we have a application event that supports a multiple day and there's trip, so we allow users to make a posts using our KajGO mobile application. The participants can make some photos, record some data, write a post, and push it to the platform, and those posts will be visible if they allow it, because they can just put this type of post like the private, and they will be not visible here at all. And as the event didn't start yet, we don't make some real test, so there's no real users yet, and then no push, so we don't have a post here yet, but it will come later on. Documents. There's another good section for the organizers and participants, where organizers can put some documents that participants should read or download, prepare, fulfill before they register. And there is a second part of this, like the private one, when participants are registered. Also, they have access to these documents plus more, only for those had already registered. So in other calls, we can call it like the participants area, where they have access to the documents that non-registered people don't have it. And finally, the tickets. As you see here, we have one ticket, but in this tutorial, we define 3. One is the for free, as you here see. The second one is paid ticket, and the third is a physical copy, so hard copy that you need to print and give someone. or sell someone in the end. As now is available only the free ticket because in during our configuration of event we set up this free tickets is available from the start, and then there is some limitation, as you see, available only 9 tickets, and after those tickets will gone there will be no available at all. But we have a paid ticket that will jump in the proper date and hour that we defined also in the tutorial, that will be available on sale. For example, on Friday at noon we will start selling a paid tickets with the premium price, for example. So we can schedule tickets in some kind of tiers, that each tier will be available for a certain date or time, and they make participants happier to grab the free or just low price tickets. And the third is like the hard copy that are not available here at all, but you as organizer have ability to print a physical uh, uh, tickets and sell them using also KajGO Menago application. So going to back to the buying tickets, let's see how the process looks like on the web page. So when I click the buy tickets, we have a list of tickets available. In here, we just have one, but if we'll have more than one, you as the positional participant, you can select the ticket you want to buy, or just change from the view here. That will be a button to change it, like here, right? But as we here just have one, we have ability to buy more than one ticket. That's because this is an option that also we can set as organizer to allow people to buy more than one tickets. But here we can just ticket as many as you want, right? And as is required, we need to fulfill the data. As the participants need to fulfill his nickname, last name, first name, phone number, and bike name, like the name of the bike, the Dark Evil or something like that. But we have also add-ons we defined for this ticket. We can take additional t-shirts and put the size here. And this everything this is configurable in Event Manager. On the left, we have a summary. As this is a free ticket, we have nothing to pay. Just clicking register after fulfilling the form will be registered to our event. And in short, this is what we're going to build in couple of minutes. So welcome to our tutorial and start coding.